Hi guys, this is Mirna at Sample Size Studios. As you can see, I am in dire need of a nice refresher and I can't wait for this change. So I will see you afterwards. So now I'm getting ready for a nice wash to get my hair clean and ready to go and smoother. So this is the best part. So we're gonna use Green Eyes shampoo for this nice transformation. Let's get ready. So now we're gonna apply the conditioner from the brand Green Eyes as well. And I can tell it smells delicious. So I'm truly enjoying this massage on my scalp. It feels amazing and the product smells delicious. Now I'm gonna apply the Thermal Protection by Dominican Magic. It's very fresh. So as you can see, the styling process is moving forward, and I'm already happy. I can feel my hair feels better, fuller, and not dull anymore. So now we're going to apply Dominican's Magic Silk Shine Hair Serum for a very beautiful finish. Oh, it smells so good. Beautiful. As you can see, it really helps with the texture and the nice touch. I am really happy with my hair. As you can see, I look like a different person. It's a lot fuller, more volume, and it's just not dull anymore like it used to be. So I am very happy with the end result.